Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will try to go up to the hill. Has a little bit over 500 meters and is high or a little bit over 56 meters. So I will do it on the two bikes. First will be my old bike, which I bought around 20 years ago. And also I will use my electric bike, which is the Engwe E26, and then we will see what's actually happened. I'm more than sure I will not manage the hill with this bike. Just because I'm a little bit over 1 year after my hip joint replacement, the right one, and I'm still waiting for the second one. That will be challenge. With the second bike, the electric E26, there will be no problem at all. More than sure, because I managed that with a L230 boost. That was so easy. So hopefully on the E26 will be also alright. We'll see what's happened. So, and see you on the next couple minutes. That was challenge. First of all, lack condition. I'm using the bicycle maybe a few times per year around the summertime, but you know, the summertime in Scotland is hard to find it, and no way. I know there is maybe 50 meters up to the hill, but no chance, especially with my hip. So if I will get better condition, I will be 100% of health condition, fit to do it, so I will do it. But right now It's impossible. That's why I prefer the electric bike. The electric bike is not for the lazy people, remember that. It's for people with some disabilities or some problem with movement, like myself. I know many of you can manage the hill without any problem, but this is me. Anyway, let's change the bike and let's do it on the electric one. Right, let's talk about the second bike, which is Engwe E26. This is my favorite electric bike. The same road, the same distance, and let's see what's gonna be happen. I'm more than sure I can manage. I couldn't manage last year to go up the hill with the older electric bike, which was the Engine X, Engwe Engine X, just because I was exactly 4 months or 5 months after my hip joint replacement. So today should be much easier, but keep in mind, this one is much heavier than the Engine X. Right guys, and I managed, but as you can see, that was not easy. Why? Because this bike, compared to the Engwe L2030 Boost, doesn't have that special button, boost button. If you are looking for the bike where you can just drive this kind of road, mostly up to hill, so you should get any Engwe bikes with the boost button, or if you are 100% fit, not like me, you can get any other electric bike from Engwe. But anyway, that support is alright for me for normal drive, normal ride, I will say. So that's why the bicycle, the electric bike, is the best solution for me and for all people with any disabilities. And let's be honest, the electric bike is not for lazy people. It's not for lazy people, because if you want to burn the calories, you can use the pass number 1. I'm talking about the electric support gear number 1 or even 0, and you will be surprised how many power of your body you have to use to driving the bike, especially when the bike the weight of the bike is over 40 kilo, like this one. Please let me know in the comment below what you think about this test, what you think about my video. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself, leave the comment below, and see you next time.